Yeah, which is part of the riding routine, right?
Last dude's like, I was sitting here for half
Uh-oh.
an hour.
Get a.
Really?
I wasn't blinking earlier.
What was
I
happening?
wasn't blinking earlier.
Oh yeah.
You turned it on now.
I did. Yeah, I just turned it on in the last little bit and
That's
says
what Lance
chasing
did,
here.
right? He goes, I've been sitting here for half an hour.
Yeah, where you been?
We just started riding 10 minutes ago.
I hear Josh coming up on the big XR. Vroom, vroom. Hitting the hammer.
I wonder how heavy that thing is.
It's not really bad because it's a small bike, so they're actually pretty good in the woods. And you know, you really don't need a whole lot of front shock on them.
Honestly, this bike's really nice for the woods if I had different suspension. It has the power where I can get the front end over shit. The only problem is when I come out a corner, if I get on the power, there's a little bump, it kind of wheelies.
Burp, burp. That's when you hit more gas and you wheelie harder and you just practice shifting and just steering with weight on the back wheel. Isn't that what you do, Josh?
Probably just take off your throttle body too and you just tie it down somewhere so it's just wide open.
There you go.
You just use the clutch, right?
That's it. Just clutching.